Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the Sea to Summit X-Pot Kettle. As you're well aware, long backpacking trips make it even more important to save as much space as you can, find things that are collapsible, things that can break down, multifunction uses. Our cookpot, we were using the Boundless Voyage cookpot, and this thing works great. The only downside is it is what it is. You can stick stuff inside of it, but it will never break down anymore. So in our research, we settled on the Sea to Summit X-Pot Kettle collapsible cookpot. We took this on our most recent trip to Utah, and I am in love. It only weighs 6.5 ounces, and that is with the lid. Collapses down to 1 3/8 inches. Very compact. It still has enough room to put a little thing of soap, a dish sponge, along with your lighter. Pretty sure I used the MSR Pocket Rocket this last time, and all of that fit just inside of this little hole. It also comes with a band to fasten together so things don't fall out. What I love about this is not only how collapsible it is, but when you open it up, it has a capacity of 1.3 liters or 44 ounces. It comes with these nylon handles that don't conduct heat. The sides are made of a silicone and the base is aluminum. The lid also has a silicone tab. There's also a 2-liter option, and I believe it comes in a sand color, the lime green, and a dark blue. The base is gonna be about 6 inches, and it's gonna be 3.5-inch tall sides. It has a very high temperature resistance, upwards of 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This, for the most part, it's gonna run you about $40 or $39.95. Needless to say, the collapsibility of the pot, the fact that you have handles, the fact that you have a pouring spout, as well as a lid, is amazing. We did read several reviews that complained about the lid itself. Now, I guess I thought it was self-explanatory, but evidently it is not. So I will give you a tip to avoid the negative comments that you're gonna see. A lot of people say that it warps or cracks. The reason this happens is when you are cooking, obviously you're not supposed to have a very large flame because you don't want the flames to come up and lip around the sides, because this is silicone. You've got this little lip of aluminum around the base that protects it. So as long as you're using a traditional like backpacking cook stove, you're gonna be completely fine. Your flame is not gonna get that large. When you are boiling your water or putting food directly in here, all of the individuals that experienced issues kept the lid on top while they were boiling water. Obviously, when you're at home, this is totally fine because what you have is going to be some sort of a metal variation. However, this is plastic. When you are preparing your food, remove it, bring your water to a boil, then remove it from the heat, add your food, then add the lid. The added heat, it's not meant to be used in that way. When you feel it, it feels like the plastic would be okay. But again, if you look at these pictures, this person here had the lid completely warp inwards and bust out into a crack that continued to like peel back. And then this picture right here just has the beginnings of a slight warp. So now there isn't a tight seal around the pot like there would be otherwise. Only thing that I would say, it is not a negative on this. I would just say it's a user error. Remove the lid while boiling your water. I love it. I can't foresee changing to anything else anytime soon. Highly, highly recommend. Again, this is the Sea to Summit X-Pot Kettle. I hope that in this quick video, you were able to gain some awesome information as well as a potential new replacement for your current bulky cookpot. If you are new, send us a message that you've subscribed and we would love to send you one of our Aikens Outdoor stickers. And if you are an existing follower and you have yet to receive your sticker, send us a message as well. We'd love to send one out to you so that you can help support our brand. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.